What's up guys, today I am going to tell you how to use Padlet. Padlet is a website where you can design anything from canvases to timelines. Okay, first things first, go on to padlet.com and if you're here for the first time, click on sign up for free. I'm going to click on login because I have already created an account. So I'm going to re-enter in my password. Now I am inside. Tap on make a Padlet if you want to make walls, canvases, stream, grid, shelf, back channel, map, timeline, all the features on Padlet. I'm going to try making a wall. Sorry about that. Now it's going to say starting your Padlet. Now this is the background. If you want to change it, you can. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm going to type in I'm going to type in my Padlet and I'm going to leave it like that. And for the icon, I'm going to just put in a smiley face. There we go. And you can add a unique link address. I'm just going to enter in a sample. And now you can change the wallpapers. I'm going to change it to a jetpack. Now you can change the font. There are 4 different types of font. Here they are. I'm going to pick this one. And now there are attributions, new posting position, comments. I'm going to turn that on. Reaction. That's on. I'm going to turn both of these on. And now click on next. And now click on start posting. Double click anywhere or drag files in, paste from clipboard or click here to post. So click here to post. I'm just going to enter in a random thing. And click anywhere. And now it's posted. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Goodbye.